Okay, uh, let's go for now, Shalmani. So today we are going to talk about random file processing, and that here random file processing we'll be talking about the fseek, ftell, and we can say that rewind. Rewind we have already used that. So today we'll be talking about some more functions. Let's see that. So, today we are going to talk about random file processing, and that here random file processing we'll be talking about the fseek, ftell, and we can say that rewind. Rewind we have already used that. So today we'll be talking about some more functions. Let's see that. So random access in data files, it helps us uh, to manipulate the particular part of file rather than reading entire block. So we can write data anywhere. Suppose this is the data inside the file from here to here. What you want, we want to write the data here in this area, or suppose we want to write the data after this area. So this is the area. So how to do that? Or suppose we want this is our data in a data file, and we want to delete this content only. So how to delete that? Or maybe we want to update only this part only. So how to do that? And it becomes faster and easier when you go for the random access in data files. So it works randomly, means from anywhere we can access the data. It is not mandatory that we must start from the beginning or the ending point. We can start from anywhere. So it is called random access. And for that we have some functions like mostly we use the fseek. We can also use the ftell. Let's see what is this. fseek simply says that take the position of file pointer or the indicator uh, to a specified offset to particular location. It takes three arguments. So here is the syntax: file pointer, offset, the data byte we want to shift to, and the position from where we want to shift. Seek set means we can set ourselves. Seek current means from the current part, current position, and seek end it simply says that from the ending part of file. So after using fseek, we can read write data from the new position. Here offset means the byte we are going to set. We can also say that two number bytes for which the position indicator needs to be placed to define the new file position. It can be seek current, it means from current position, end means from the last position, and seek set means, as the name says, it moves the file pointer to beginning of the start of the file. This is not true. Actually, we can move seek set maybe the beginning or maybe the ending part or maybe some other parts. So beginning or ending or any other location. We can easily move. So this shows our seek set. We can also use values like 0 for the beginning, 1 for the current, and the 2 for the end. With that fseek, we can also use ftell. It simply tells us what is the location of file pointer or the marker while reading and writing the data. It simply gives the value in the form of integer. We can read that and we can know that. So it's particularly useful in scenarios where we need to perform operations such as portions of large files. If the file is large and it contains more the huge amount of data, then we can use that. So different parts of the file is required. It provides flexibility as well as efficiency in the data file. And now next question is how to perform that. For that, let's see an example. Can you see my screen? Okay, uh, let's go for it. So let's see a very simple example. You can write with me. So let's take your file pointer. Let's take a string constant. Let's open a file. So let's write the data. Okay. Percentage as name of variable is string. So string. Okay, now let's check actually where is the marker, that is file pointer. After writing the data, let's go for printf current location of marker. Let's the next is here. Then okay. Let's save it. Random file processor. Let's give a different name there. Let's run. So it is giving us old output. Again, same problem I am having here. Okay, let's do one thing. Control A C, Control N, Control V. So let's say to different location, ship again, data file, and random data. Let's start the program. So here is the output. So look here, we are getting 11. Now, is it 11 or not? Let's check it. So let's count from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So first the pointer was here, now it is here. So at the last of this file or the data we can see. So it is showing us 11. So what we have done? Nothing we have done. We are using ftell to know the what is the position of that marker or the pointer. Okay. Now, so let's change the value by suppose if we want to take the pointer to some other app. Seek. So name of file pointer here. So at what point we want to move to? Let's say 8 position or 8 byte we want to move to here. So next is from which location? Suppose last location. So we have to put seek int. That's all. Now let's do copy and paste this part. Marker after shift is now since we are moving int location is 11. From 11 actually we are now moving to F position. Let's see what it is going to give us. So look here. Actually first it was 11. Yes. Now what we did there. What we did there. So last position it was 11, and from this 11 actually what we did there, we moved to 8th position more. 8th position more means in point is 11, and from this 11 we are going to add 8 bytes, and just we are going to shift to which is that 8th position more than 11. That becomes 11 plus 8, 19. So we'll get the 19. So this is how we get we shift the pointer from one position to another position. Now suppose if we don't put second, if we put the seek uh, current, let's put set here, run the program. So look here. So what this set says that, actually just you move to add position, nothing more there. Actually it is not going to add any bytes to the current. So first we were at the 11th position. Now we are going to shift to 8th position. So it is displaying there 8. So that's all. Suppose uh, if we put here seek current, sorry, seek current at position. Let's run the program. So it is not current, it is CUR. Okay, let's run the program. Okay, again we are getting the 19. So what does this mean? So current location is 11 from here, am I right? So location is F11, that 11, and from this 11, this 8 is added, this 8 is added, and thus we get the 11, that is 19. So this is the last, this is the location of pointer after shifting 8th byte or 8th position we can say. Suppose if we don't put 8, if we put here uh, 0, So let's see what's going to happen here. So here again, so in this case C current, what happens again, we are getting 11. So C current means current percent 11, 11 plus 0, 11. So we are getting the 11. And so that's all. If we want to move to particular location, we have to use 6 set. If we want to add and then we want to shift to particular location, then we have to use the sum other than 0. Like suppose if we don't put this, if we put set and we put 0, so what should happen there? So we can take the pointer to original location, so that is 0. We can see here, so this is 0. Now suppose we don't put 0 here. If we put here 5, suppose it simply says that uh, take the pointer to fourth position. So run the program. So look here. Here we are getting for this pointer is in fourth location. Pointer is in fourth position, and thus this is how we can move the pointer here and there easily. So nothing more is there. We can also use rewind here. So what this rewind says means take the pointer to original location, and that is 0 location. That is K. Let's do copy and paste this statement. After rewind this one, now it would display the 0. So here is the 0 output. First we shift it to 4, that is line number 10. 6 8, it takes the pointer to fourth location from the last position. Next, so what we did there, rewind takes the pointer from fourth location to 0 location, nothing more, and just we are getting here. So this is how we can move the pointer here to there, there to here. We can write the data, we can read the data, we can update the data. So this shows about random file processing. So mostly we use fseek, and together we can also use the rewind and the ftell. So these are very popular. So any question here? So any questions here? So you can use the chat box if you have any question. So do you have any questions? Afzal, so any query or the questions you are having the problem regarding this? You can use the chat box to type a question. Okay, fine. If you don't have any question then. So this was about the fseek, remind, ftell. So this is how we can understand the. Now uh, let's see another program, and that is for the how to remove a file and actually how to rename a file. That is also applicable when we work we work with this one. I mean that updating and deleting. Uh, that is not given here. Now suppose so first is here remove. We have to keep the file here. Next is rename. So what is meaning of remove? This is a function and it helps us to remove this file name. In C program means to delete the file name, and rename simply renames the old file name into new name. Now question is why to use this? They are applicable when we update the data, delete the data, transfer the data. For that actually they are helpful. Other we have to use them. Let's see a practical example of remove and the rename. So you can write with me if you are on computer and just you want to learn that. So let's create a new file here. Remove function. Let's create a file pointer first. So k equals to open file.txt. Let's give a mode w. After that, let's use. Okay, let's write some data here. In that file pointer k. Next is as. Then we have to put the um, hello data. That's it. Now let's close the file. Let's save it. Let's give a message here. Enter data stored. Okay. Let's run the program. So look here. So we have already stored the data successfully. Now let's open the file and let's see the file is there or not. Open content folder. So here is file.txt. You can see on right side of my screen. Let's open it. So here is the file we have stored, hello data file. Yes. Now what we are going to do? Uh, we are going to remove this file from here. So how to remove that? Nothing more we have to do. Simply what do we do here? Uh, if k equals to null, let's put the null here. Enter file opening here, and let's put here enter. Now suppose if it is uh, if it has opened the file and this condition becomes false, it comes here. So first we have to close the file. So Control X, we have to close the file here. After that closing, what we have to do? We have to put it here. So what is the name of file? File.txt. File.txt. File removed. Let's give the message. Let's save it. Now let's run it. So look here, file removed message we are getting. Yes. After that, let's on the file. Look here. I just showed you the file was here, but now in this file, that is file.txt, which was here, which I just created here. Now that file is not here. Means we have removed the file, we have deleted the file. So this is how we can do. Now, suppose if we want to rename the file, means we are working with this file.txt and we want to give a new name to this file, file.txt. Then for that, what we have to do? Um, so let's to copy it, let's shape over Control C, Control N, Control V. Okay, let's save it. Okay, now same thing we have to do there. If it is unable to open, then it returns false, and after that the program further it doesn't go for execution. It closes the file. Instead of writing remove, what we have to put there? Rename. Rename means the name was file.txt. We have to give a new name, that is file1.txt, and we have to give a message file renamed. File renamed. That's all. Let's run the program. So we won't be getting this file, we'll be getting this file, because while working actually computer creates this file, but after executing this part, computer renames this file into this one. So we'll be getting file1.txt, not file.txt. Let's run the program and let's see whether actually it is there or not. File rename, we got the message here. After that, let's see this file is there or not. Right clicking, open containing folder. So look here, we are getting file1.txt. Is it there? Yes. We are not getting file.txt, we are getting file1.txt. It means the file, it has been renamed successfully. So it's very simple to work with this rename and the remove. Now one question is there, what is the purpose of rename and the remove? So actually they come into action or the use when we go for the data deletion or the data updation, or you said that some complex queries if we want to perform, then we have to perform this one. So nothing more is there. So this is how we can know about the data renaming and the data file renaming and the data file uh, removing. I hope you also about this one, and we'll see some more examples regarding this one. Actually, that will be the project, and there I will be showing you actually how we can use this rename and the remove to restore the data, to transfer the data, to update the data, to delete the data, etc. So, any problem you are having here? Questions, queries, you can ask me. No? Okay, fine then. Okay, so this was just an example of data file, and in now tomorrow's session we'll be talking some more about the programs, the data this one, how to update the data, how to delete the data, and see some more examples and maybe small project using this one, and we'll see how to work with this one. So thank you for joining me. If you like the video, if you think actually it was helpful for you, just be with me every day between 4 and 5 p.m. Slowly I am thinking to increase the time, maybe from 3 to 5 p.m. And you can share with your friends, whoever has interest to learn the programming step by step in slow pace. We can say there is no hurry that that will learn step by step. Okay, thank you. Take care. See you together.